Michelle from GARDENWORKS, and today I'm going to talk to you about protecting your pots over the winter. Not all pots are created the same. So for example, Terra Cotta pots like this one are very porous. So they absorb the water. So in the summer this is great for the plants, but in the winter as we get to closer to freezing temperatures, they will freeze and they will possibly crack the pot. So you definitely want to bring your Terra Cotta pots inside your home over the winter. Glazed ceramic pots like this one here have a nice thick glaze on them and they're fired at a high temperature, so they are frost resistant. The thing that most pots are not is freezer proof, so you want to make sure when the temperatures get below zero or close to it that you're protecting your pots over the winter. There's a few ways you can protect your pots over the winter. One of the ways is bringing them closer to the house. Another way is grouping your pots together close to the house. But the most important thing is to make sure that your pots are draining well. So one of the ways to do that is to raise them up. Pot feet are great for ceramic pots. They come in a pack of 3. You put 3 around your pot, it raises them up and the water's able to drain out of the pot really nicely. So that's really important. Another good method is to use a plant dolly. These have casters on them. Raise them up off of the ground and the water will drain out of your pot really nicely. So that's a really good tip, and you can move it around. Plant stands are another good example of raising your pots up off the ground so that the water will drain out really well. So these are some examples of how you can protect your pots over the winter. Keep in mind that any pot, whether it's plastic, resin, or fiberglass, or ceramic, has a potential of cracking during freezing temperatures and long periods of freezing temperatures. So make sure water is draining out of your pot, you're protecting them in the ways that I've given some examples. So now is a good time to start thinking about how you're going to protect your pots over the winter. I hope these examples have helped you, and thanks for watching.